How to delete a wallpaper on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen. Now on the home screen, press on the lock button or the side button. And currently, I'm on my always on display. So you want to tap on it to go to your lock screen and then touch and hold like that. You might need to do it again. And then we put in the passcode. Once you are in here, simply go to the wallpaper that you would like to delete. Now you cannot delete the default wallpaper set, only the one that you created. So here I will delete this astronomy wallpaper set. So what you want to do is swipe up like that and then tap on the delete button and then tap on delete this wallpaper. And that's it. Now after that, you can go and select a different wallpaper set that you would like to use. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that is how you can delete a wallpaper on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.